On Samsung phones, there's a secret code that not many people know about. It allows you to access a hidden menus inside the system through which you can update important components in the phone, like the touchscreen, the pen, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This code is called the TSP firmware update menu, and it's not just a regular update. It works on things that don't get updated through the normal system updates. So let's check it out right now. First, open up the phone app, tap on keypad. Now dial *2663#. Now you will get the firmware version. This code might not work on all devices or software versions. If you get a screen that says connection problems or invalid MMI code, that means your phone doesn't support this code. So if it works for you, you're one of the lucky ones. And you need to take advantage of this. So here you can see the TSP FW Update General version. If your screen feels slow or unresponsive, this update might solve the issue. One warning: when you tap this button, leave the phone alone until the update finishes. Don't turn it off or do anything. And the next feature is the WACOM FW Update. This feature is for the pen. If your phone has one like the Note or Ultra series, this software helps the pen work better, making it more accurate and faster, and it gets better with updates. And the next one is Refresh Wi-Fi version. When you tap this, your phone will restart and update the Wi-Fi inside. It helps if your internet keeps dropping or if you have connection problems. Well, on the menu, you can see the full Bluetooth version as well. This is helpful for technicians when there's a problem. These updates are mainly for technicians, but Samsung lets users use them if they know the code. Well, let me be clear that there are no known risks, and the code is safe. But if your phone has hardware problems, this won't fix those. This update won't change your phone's look, Android version, or One UI. It won't delete any data. It doesn't need root access or special settings. It's not harmful to the phone, but you must let the update finish fully. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.